Had Ephedrine, detailed drug study. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand names, drug forms. Generic name ephedrine. Chemical name 1R2S 2 methylamino 1-phenylpropane 1-all. Drug class sympathomimetic amine, mixed acting adrenergic agonist, vasopressor, bronchodilator, CNS stimulant. Common brand names Acovaz IV injection, Corfedra IV injection, Bronkaid oral tablet for asthma. Available drug forms oral tablets, oral capsules, injection, ephedrine sulfate, IM subcutaneous, less common today. 2. Definition. Ephedrine is a naturally occurring alkaloid derived from the plant Ephedra sinica. It is a mixed-acting sympathomimetic drug that stimulates both alpha and beta adrenergic receptors and promotes release of norepinephrine. It is primarily used and as a bronchodilator for mild asthma. Number 3. Mechanism of action, MOA. Ephedrine works by 2 mechanisms. A. Direct action stimulates alpha-1 receptors, vasoconstriction, blood pressure. Beta-1 receptors, heart rate and cardiac output. Beta-2 receptors, bronchodilation. B. Indirect action stimulates release of norepinephrine from sympathetic nerve endings, inhibits reuptake of norepinephrine. Overall physiological effects: increased systolic and diastolic BP, increased heart rate, increased myocardial contractility, bronchodilation, CNS stimulation, alertness, reduced fatigue. And 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed orally, rapid onset IV. Onset of action, IV immediate within minutes, IM 10 to 20 minutes, oral 15 to 60 minutes, widely distributed, crosses blood-brain barrier, crosses placenta, present in breast milk. Metabolism, partially metabolized in the liver, some metabolism by monoamine oxidase, MAO. Elimination, primarily excreted unchanged in urine. Urinary pH affects elimination, acidic urine, faster excretion, alkaline urine, slower excretion. Half-life, 3 to 6 hours, can be longer in alkaline urine. 5. Uses 1. Treatment of hypotension, especially anesthesia-induced hypotension. 2. Temporary relief of bronchospasm and asthma. 3. Nasal decongestion. 4. Historically used for narcolepsy and weight loss, no longer recommended. Number 6. Indications. Clinically significant hypotension. Hypotension during spinal or epidural anesthesia. Mild intermittent asthma. Nasal congestion. 7. Contraindications. Ephedrine is contraindicated in severe hypertension, tachyarrhythmias, ventricular fibrillation, pheochromocytoma, hyperthyroidism, closed-angle glaucoma, hypersensitivity to sympathomimetics, concurrent or recent within 14 days MAOI use. Number 8. Precautions before taking this medicine. Use cautiously in patients with cardiovascular disease, CAD, heart failure, diabetes mellitus, hyperthyroidism, prostatic hypertrophy, urinary retention risk, renal impairment, elderly patients, increased sensitivity, pregnancy, category C, use only if clearly needed. Breastfeeding. Monitor closely in patients with history of substance abuse, psychiatric disorders, may worsen anxiety. Number 9. How to use #, oral use. Take with or without food. Follow exact dosage instructions. Avoid taking late in the day, causes insomnia. Do not exceed recommended dose. Injectable use. Administered by trained healthcare professional. Slow IV bolus preferred. Continuous BP and heart monitoring required. Number 10. Dosing information. A. Hypotension. Adults IV. 5 to 10 milligrams IV bolus. May repeat every 3 to 4 minutes. Typical total dose, 10 to 50 milligrams, adjusts based on BP response. B. Asthma adults oral to 50 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, maximum 150 milligrams per day. Pediatric dose, weight-based dosing must be prescribed by physician. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, oral, take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next dose. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms: severe hypertension, severe headache, arrhythmias, chest pain, seizures, hallucinations, stroke, myocardial infarction. Emergency treatment required immediately. 12. When to stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately and seek medical help if severe chest pain, palpitations, severe headache, blurred vision, allergic reaction, rash, swelling, breathing difficulty, BP rises significantly. Avoid long-term continuous use. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects: nervousness, restlessness, insomnia, dizziness, headache, nausea, palpitations. Serious side effects: hypertensive crisis, arrhythmias, stroke, myocardial infarction, urinary retention, psychological dependence. 14. Vital information, monitoring parameters. Monitor blood pressure, heart rate, ECG of IV use, respiratory status, signs of CNS overstimulation, urine output, renal function. Important note, repeated dosing may cause tachyphylaxis, decreased response due to norepinephrine depletion. 15. Drug interactions, other drugs that affect ephedrine. MAO inhibitors, phenelzine, risk of hypertensive crisis. Beta blockers, propranolol, may reduce bronchodilation, unopposed alpha stimulation may increase BP. Other stimulants, amphetamine, increased cardiovascular toxicity. Others, tricyclic antidepressants, caffeine, theophylline, antihypertensive drugs, reduced effect. 16. Drug comparison feature, ephedrine, pseudoephedrine, phenylephrine, HOM, type, mixed acting, indirect acting, direct alpha-1, CNS effect, moderate, mild, minimal, bronchodilation, yes, mild, no, BP effect, moderate, high, mild, moderate, abuse risk, higher, moderate, low, use in anesthesia, yes, some rare, patient teaching, take exactly as prescribed, do not exceed recommended dose, avoid caffeine and energy drinks, monitor BP if hypertensive, avoid use with MAO inhibitors, do not use longer than recommended, report chest pain or severe headache immediately, keep out of reach of children, do not share medication. Nursing considerations for ephedrine. Ephedrine is a sympathomimetic vasopressor and bronchodilator, so nursing care focuses mainly on cardiovascular monitoring, safety, and prevention of complications. Number 1, assessment. Before administration. A. Baseline assessment. Measure blood pressure, BP, assess heart rate, HR, and rhythm. Check respiratory status. Review cardiac history, CAD, arrhythmias, hypertension, assess for hyperthyroidism. Check medication history, especially MAOIs. B. Contraindication screening. Do not administer if patient has severe hypertension, arrhythmias, pheochromocytoma, recent MAOI use, e.g. phenelzine. Not to. Monitoring during administration. A. Cardiovascular monitoring priority. Monitor BP every 3 to 5 minutes during IV use. Continuous cardiac monitoring if IV. Observe for tachycardia, arrhythmias, hypertensive response, chest pain. B. Respiratory monitoring. Assess lung sounds, monitor respiratory rate, evaluate relief of bronchospasm. C. Neurological monitoring. Monitor for anxiety, restlessness, tremors, headache, insomnia. Administration considerations. IV administration for hypotension. Administer slow IV bolus. Use infusion pump if ordered. Do not mix with alkaline solutions. Monitor IV site for extravasation, vasoconstriction risk. Oral administration. Give early in the day, prevents insomnia. Avoid giving with other stimulants. Do not exceed prescribed dose. Nursing interventions. Place patient in supine position if hypotensive. Maintain IV access. Have emergency equipment available. Reduce environmental stimulation if patient is anxious. Encourage fluid intake if not contraindicated. Adverse effects to watch for. Mild, nervousness, palpitations, head nausea. Serious, report immediately. BP, 180 to 110 mmHg. Severe chest pain, irregular heartbeat, severe headache, visual disturbances, signs of stroke. 6. Risk for tachyphylaxis. Repeated doses may lead to decreased response, norepinephrine depletion. Nursing action, monitor effectiveness, notify provider if diminished response occurs. Number 7. Drug interactions to monitor. Use caution if patient is taking MAO inhibitors, e.g. phenelzine, beta blockers, e.g. propranolol, other stimulants, e.g. amphetamine, caffeine. Monitor for hypertensive crisis when combined improperly. 8. Patient education nursing role. Teach patient to take exactly as prescribed, avoid caffeine and energy drinks, monitor BP at home if hypertensive, report chest pain, severe headache, palpitations, shortness of breath, avoid taking before bedtime. Number 9, evaluation of effectiveness. For hypotension, BP returns to normal range, improved perfusion, improved level of consciousness. For bronchospasm, improved breathing, reduced wheezing, improved oxygen saturation. 10. Documentation. Nurse should document time and dose administered, vital signs before and after administration, patient response, any adverse reactions, patient education. Thank you. Have a nice day.